First of all, I would like to say thank you for the TechFluent team and my mentor, Kristen Osman. And my name is Hagere Suna. I'm a consultant of the Contoso retail store. And now I'm gonna present you about the leave request flow. The Power Automate scenario looks like this. It helps the admin to set up an employee information and leave type. The employee can request their leave through SharePoint, and the Outlook calendar will show us whether they are on leave or not. And the Power Automate will handle the manager approval. And the process will be like this. The employer reads the request, and the email will send to the approver or the manager, and the result will depend on the manager, whether he rejects or approves the request. If he rejects the request, the requester will receive the email, and if he approves the request, the requester will receive an email, and the calendar will be on. We can show it on in Outlook calendar, and the solution and the problem solve that I say it helps the administration to set up the employee information and leave type, and the manager can easily manage even when he is out from office. And also the employee can request their leave at any time and any place. Also, the calendar will help us to plan the meeting or the project, and it improves the work efficiency. Summary, it put the power in hands of our employee self-service level request form. And if we didn't have the chance to try, I encourage you to do so, that find out how much your organization can benefit from it. And the flow it looks like this. I will take you through. Our flow looks like this. When an item is created in SharePoint, it will appear on our SharePoint. It says I'm waiting, and it sends to the email for the manager for the approval, and the condition. There is a yes and no condition. It depends on on the previous that I told you. It depends on the manager. If it is yes, the system will send to the requester the email, and we can show it on the calendar. If the answer is no, the rejection email will be sent to the request. And let me show you how it works. Here is my SharePoint. I will create new. I will write his name, the requester name, date. I will put the date. And the type of leave, is that sick leave, short leave, annual leave, maternity, paternity, or something like that. I will choose the annual leave, and I will put the department where he is working. He will be in human resource, and I will say save. Immediately when I do this, it will put him on pending, and the email we can find it on the email to save the time. I just make it earlier. We can say approve and say thing. And submit. when we submit, the requester will receive the email. Hello, dear Hagere, Suna, your leave request outcome is below approved. Thank you. And then we can see it on our SharePoint. It says approved. And even also we can check our calendar. We can see it in our calendar to plan the meeting or something like that. This is how it works. Thank you for giving me this chance again.